Hello and good day to everyone. I hope you're all doing great. I'm here with you for the daily analysis of the Nasdaq index on February 27th. We're on the last trading day of this week and this month, and as you can see, the Nasdaq index is ending the month of February.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
February with a bearish candle, and so far we've seen more than a 2% drop in the index. As you saw on the monthly time frame, the Nasdaq index is in a long-term uptrend. Now, by looking at the daily time frame, we can see that after the index price approached its all-time high at the end of last month, it dropped sharply from the $26,250 range, and we witnessed a significant decline. This week, we've also seen a lot of price volatility, and one of the reasons we haven't seen a remarkable rise in this index is that, according to data from Bank of America, global investors are diversifying and moving away from U.S. stocks. As you can see in this chart, for every $100 invested in global equity funds in 2026, now only $26 are allocated to U.S. stocks. This is the lowest level since 2021, while in 2022 this amount was 3.5 times the current figure and was around 92%. We are currently analyzing the 4-hour time frame. Another factor that prevented further growth of the Nasdaq index, which I have mentioned before, is the massive investment by tech companies in artificial intelligence infrastructure, which has caused many investors to become doubtful and hesitant. Investors still do not have full confidence in the returns from this investment, and as we have seen, this has led them to look for more attractive destinations for their investments. Now, by analyzing the 4-hour time frame, we can see that on Wednesday, the price, with its upward movement, reached the 4-hour BPR area up to the price of $25,450 and then retraced downward from this level. Following this price drop, yesterday we saw the price of this index fall to the range of $24,828, which, as a result of this move, filled the 4-hour FVG that was located in this area, and today it is also fluctuating within the same range. We are now analyzing the 1-hour time frame. As another important and related piece of news for this index, yesterday we had Nvidia's annual earnings report, which showed a very strong performance with a 73% increase. However, the point to note is that despite earnings surpassing expectations, Nvidia's stock only rose by 0.2%, and Nasdaq futures fell by 0.3% yesterday. This indicates a lack of investor confidence in this index and shows that even major companies with very strong reports currently cannot lead to a significant rise in this index. So, at the moment, we consider the sentiment for this index to be negative, and in the short term, we are also looking for sell positions. As you can see in this time frame, the price reacted twice when it returned to a 1-hour BPR zone that had formed in this area, and after the second reaction, it moved downward. Now, if in the next upward move, internal liquidity such as the 1-hour FVG is collected around the price range of $24,980, or even if there is a reaction to the psychological level of $25,000, we can enter a sell position in this area with proper risk and capital management and target objectives such as an RPR ratio of 1.1, 1.2, and the previous low. Wishing you success and profitable trades.